Hello, welcome back to my next video. And with respect to futuromics basics and advanced bioinformatics videos. So yeah, in this particular video, I'm not going to share something, a reference video with respect to the bioinformatics analysis, but yeah, something apart from the other searches, nothing. But today we are going to have a video on how to download, okay, YouTube videos. Okay, so for that thing, so we are going to use a Python, and in that we are going to use a Google Colab to perform our particular coding. Okay, so here this particular link I'm again going to share in our particular description video. But before that, you can see that simple command we have to run is nothing but pip install Pytube. Okay, so what is Pytube and how actually you can use the more information you will find in this particular link. Okay, so right now we are going to just copy this pip install Pytube in the Google Colab cell. Okay, and I'm going to run the cell. Once I do that, so the particular Pytube has been installed successfully. And the next command which I'm going to write is nothing but a very simple, that is nothing but from Pytube. Okay, we are going to import YouTube. Okay, and then I'm going to run the cell. So it is run successfully. The next and the last command is nothing but YouTube. Okay, now you can see the link has been asked over here, and you can just give any of the link which is you want to download the video. But it's simple, you can just include the double inverted comma or inverted comma, it's fine. Then I'm going to just type a URL https and colon slash double slash u tu dat be, and then again slash, then the d q w o w, okay, 9 w g x c q. Okay, now after that, a simple thing that is dot streams streams dot first, and then I'm going to just include this and simple thing that is a download, and again close the bracket. So here you can see that this particular video has been downloaded, and again you can see over here. Okay, it's very simple. So what I have done, I've taken one more example. So this is the example that is the same command, and here is the URL will get changed. Okay, so what this URL is about is nothing but my video only with respect to Autodoc Vina. Okay, so here you will find that if you can just run this, it will get download. So like this, multiple way of analysis you can perform using this particular simple code using Python. Okay, so stay tuned for getting more interesting and what I can say as nice videos with respect to the Python. Thank you.